I have these bandanas that I found at my local dollar store, and they measure 21 by 21 inches. I'm using a rotary cutter and a straight edge to cut the sections, and I'm cutting each bandana into 4 sections. Now you can just use a pair of scissors. You do not need to make the line completely straight. I would just try to cut the best that you can on the creased line that is in the bandana. And again, they measure 21 by 21 inches, and I'm cutting them into 4 pieces. In this video, I'm going to be using 3 different colors, the white, pink, and then I have a darker pink. Next, I have this wire heart wreath form. You can get these from the Dollar Tree. They measure 12 by 13 inches. And I'm going to start with the darker pink. It does not matter which one you start with, but I'm going to roll it and then fold it in half. Once it's folded in half, I'm going to lay it over the outer ring and then pull the 2 ends through the loop that I'm making with my thumb and pointer finger. And then you're going to pull tight so that it wraps nicely around the outer ring. And I'm going to do that by rotating through the different colors that I have. Again, you're just going to roll the piece, fold it in half, and then wrap it around the outer ring. And then you're going to pull your 2 ends tightly. Now I needed 4 full bandanas of each color. And then after I cut them into the 4 sections, that would give me the 16 pieces, and I ended up using 15 pieces of each color. That's with the 3 different colors. Now you can choose any colors of your choice. If you just want to do 2 different colors, then you can figure out how many pieces you will need to cut. And I went around the entire outer edge of my wreath form using the bandanas. And I love this if you can figure out another way to fill in the center heart, even if you just use a wood cutout. I think that would look really cute. What I decided to do was just repeat the same thing by rotating through the colors and placing them on the inner part of the heart wreath form. And I skipped the middle rod on the wreath form. And this made it nice and full. Now to finish it off, I'm just going to go to the top of the heart here and undo that one piece. I have this heart I grabbed from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to dangle it right from the top. I feel like it just filled in that little section, but I wanted to keep the shape of the heart the best that I could. So I just hung it there using a piece of jute, and then I just placed the bandana back on to hide the knot I created in the jute. And there we go. Now we just have this very easy, fun heart wreath form made with bandanas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.